Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get fort posts on Dress to Impress for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress and I'm going to show you how we can get the fort posts on Dress to Impress April Fool's update. Okay, if you want to get that post, you just need to go to the post menu right here, and then here you will automatically get the fort post, and I'm going to show you how the fort post looks like. Okay, and I'm going to click on the fort post once again. Okay, like this. That's so fun. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get the fort post for free on Dress to Impress April Fool's update. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.